Welcome to Excel4Tally.com. In this video you will learn how to import receipt voucher Excel data in Tally ERP.9 using our Excel4Tally.com. Click here Register free Excel4Tally.com. If already registered, then click here Sign in. Another option, Sign in with Google. Select here template type, click Try Free. Click here to download the receipt voucher sample. Columns highlighted in red are compulsory columns and cannot be left blank. Columns highlighted in black are optional columns and you can be blank. Select template. Select company. If not created earlier, please create new company. Choose Receipt Voucher Excel. Now click on Process Excel Records. It will automatically download XML output file. Now copy entire file location path. Click here F12. Click General. Ignore errors during data import equals yes. Click Import Data. Voucher option, import all voucher type data. Paste entire XML file location path to paste. Use Ctrl+Alt+V, press Enter. You can see data has been successfully imported in Tally. Click here Open File Location. Thank you for watching. Receipt voucher data import in Tally ERP.9 using our Excel4Tally.com. Support help, support@Excel4Tally.com.